Hi everyone, I'm Thomas from Ananda, your e-drive solution expert. Welcome to Booth. We have a lot of news to share with you and some exciting news. Let's start with products. We have 4 new products on the booth. We have the M5000. The M5000 is a mid-drive motor, lightweight, compact and powerful. Then we have the M4000. M4000 is for ECT, e-trekking, and it's also very light, very silent, with 18 Newton meters. We have updrive motors, the Air 820. The Air 820 is a through axle 12mm, weighing only 2 kilograms with 40 Newton meters. And then we also have the Air 900, which is a 3-speed automatic gear. Pretty exciting because there is a lot of customers waiting for this new product. At Ananda, service is key. So how do we transform that? What does it mean for our customers? First, we have local services in Europe. We have an office in Netherlands with many service stations in Europe. We have service stations in Italy, in France. We have more service stations to come in Germany, in Norway, in England. We also have a service station in Los Angeles and in Japan. We are also implementing what we call direct to retailer. What is direct to retailer? It's a co-service center which will start on July 1st, and our dealer or your dealer, customer dealer, will be able to call directly our office and somebody will pick up the phone and deal with issues or for advice or any kind of service customer will need. So that's a big step for us and we are really excited to implement this on July 1st. We want to keep some strategic advantage, so that's why we just opened a new factory in Vietnam. So this new factory will allow us to increase on production capacity and will also give some specific advantage to our customers. Innovation is key. That's why we developed Ananda Ride. Ananda Ride is an application for each rider to fine-tune the motor, diagnostic, bike localization, power tuning. Very interesting and very useful for the rider. We also have Ananda Link. Ananda Link is a great tool for all the dealers to diagnostic and to make sure the motor and the system is running perfectly. For more information about our product, about our company, about our background, welcome to visit our website. There is a lot of information and everything you need. Thank you.